Hello folks, today I will share with you the analysis results of the Nasdaq CFD that I published on April 27, 2024 last weekend. We should not forget that this week we are seeing quite volatile price movements due to the economic calendar. We should be cautious during such news events. In fact, we should step aside and observe the market with a broad perspective without taking any action, because during high-impact news events, market volatility can lead to unforeseeable outcomes. Personally, I avoid high-impact news events except for long-term positions. For intraday trading position entries, I enter trades approximately 15 or 30 minutes after high-impact news. I also advise you not to stand in front of impactful news events. It can lead to significant losses. The impactful news events of this week were non-farm payrolls and federal funds rates, among others. While they may provide some insights, what I focus on here are not the outcomes, but the reactions from these impactful news events. I don't believe that the results of impactful news events will necessarily move the price. I consider it to be a smokescreen for retail traders and small investors. You can look at the traces left by news events in the past. These will be inspiring results for knowledgeable and experienced traders. As I indicated last weekend, the setup I was looking for was for the price to touch the fair value gap FVG level on the daily time frame, and then look for a structural change in price that I could trust. You can see the results both as a slide screenshot and as a video in this video. As you can see, the price touched the fair value gap on the daily time frame. And then, after identifying the setup I wanted, I entered a short position. This can also be included in the order block formed on the daily chart. We will see the position details more clearly when we switch to lower time frames. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see a market structure breakout. This provides us with an important clue that the price has changed direction. All we need to do here is to look at lower time frames and scale our positions when the price reaches the most suitable key level. When we go down to the 1-hour and lower time frames, we see setups and key levels more clearly. We see how the fair value gap on the 15-minute and 1-hour time frames perfectly works. You are not obliged to stick to techniques like the fair value gap or order block that I have shown here. You may use Fibonacci tools or other techniques you have developed as you wish. This is just an example. The important thing is to choose the most comfortable or enjoyable way to reach your goals when you set them. When you enter a trade at any price, you should also determine partial profit taking levels when you set your targets. This will be a more beneficial and safer habit for you. You don't have to hit the price target exactly on the bullseye. Even on the brink, you can miss many successful trades. That's why I like partial profit taking, because it leaves no room for concern. I entered this position during the post-lunch session break. This session break starts at 13s and ends at 17s. The continuation of the position will resume without interruption into the next day. To keep the video from being too long, I recorded it in sections as slide screenshots. After the slideshow, you can watch the live trading example with the results. The danger has not yet passed. Tomorrow we have the non-farm payrolls data. Stay safe. Enjoy watching. Good luck and good trading.
you.